If you have unfortunately been a victim of a truck crash and the truck was at fault, what kind of damages can you get from the trucking company in their insurance policies? Medical bills to start, lost wages. But really, the value driver in these cases is the value of your pain and suffering, your mental anguish, what you have to go through. There really is no amount of money that's worth what you're going through. Having said that, the way that our system is set up, we have to put a monetary value on your pain and suffering. That's part of why you bring us on the case. I mean, we do a lot more than that, obviously. But in terms of your pain and suffering, that's where the big cases come from. I just had a trucking case I settled. It was $1.75 million. But the value driver was the client's pain and suffering. And to me, that is almost always worth more than what the medical bills are, because medical bills are really we're just paying doctors for their treatment for you, which thank God for the doctors and that they can treat you. But that money for medical care is not going in your pocket. That's going to pay for the medical treatment. The money that is going to go in your pocket is, the lost wages, but more so and more impactful will be the money for pain and suffering. And that's where you see these settlements and these verdicts in the millions of dollars. Oftentimes, a client will call me after they've been involved in a trucking case. They'll tell me that a nice person from the trucking company called them and tried to offer them some menial amount of money. They hope that they can get to you and give you some little bit of money and that you'll sign a release and sign away all of your rights. They're really trying to take advantage of you. Do not speak to the insurance company until you have spoken to me. I know the games and the tricks these insurance companies play, and they know it's wrong, and yet they still do it time after time after time. My suggestion is you call me first. Let's talk about your facts of your case. When you hire me, I will then call the insurance company on your behalf. They're also going to try to get you to say things against your interests, and they're going to be recording the conversation, and they have their tricks as to how to do that. Let me represent you to the insurance company before they try to take advantage of you, which is what they're going to do. So a lot of people think if a police report finds the truck at fault for the crash, that's the end all be all. But what a lot of people don't realize is that police reports do not come into evidence. The jury would never hear about the police report. They wouldn't be able to hear that the police officer found the truck at fault. To prove our case, we have to prove that the truck was at fault for the crash. And we're not going to be able to use the police report to do that. Well, we're going to get the black box data from the truck. We may hire an accident reconstructionist to help us prove the case. Because ultimately, if you don't have any of those things, then it may just be your word against the trucking company. And believe me, those people are going to have many, many lawyers on their team, all against you. You can't rely on the police report. And if you're in that situation, give me a call immediately so that we can make sure that we have the experts to go out and do all the measurements, get all the data so we can protect your rights. So call me immediately. Thank you.